What does morning sound like? Does it sound like this to you? It's quiet and soft, cold, and beautiful, just like you are. The beautiful part. I hope this finds you well and warm and safe on this beautiful early Sunday morning.